of you have truly followed your recorded lecture? Okay, guys, is it done now?
No, yes, ma'am. It started recording.
Yes, ma'am.
And my texts are also visible. Different closed loop configuration of op-amp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your task one. This task one I'll take hand to hand. It means I'll tell you briefly about this. Okay. So remaining tasks, I'll just give you the hints. Then you have to proceed for that. I have to verify that. Okay. So clearly, carefully, you just listen about it. Some theory I'll discuss first because I have to revise. Somebody you might have been missed your theory classes. So here you just get those contents. So first one. What are the pattern of your lab? Okay, so first you have to proceed with, first thing you have to write aim. You have to proceed with the aim. Then second, list of components. Then third, circuit design. This thing you have to follow always for all the lab experiments. Okay. Fourth one, design parameters. Actually, this design parameters in subsection I'm just writing. Here it contains the problem statement or your formulas or mathematical modelings or the tabulations you are including for the calculated parameters. So here in short form or the subsections you write mathematical modeling. Okay, second one. In this mathematical modeling, you have to do the calculation. If you want, you may write those things in the braces also. Okay. So next one. And here tabulation and observation also. Observation and tabulation both are same thing, but it vary as per the experiment. Okay, where you are using the content in the form of tabulation and where you are just observing the value and or the changes in your output. Okay. And fifth one is model graph. Last one is inference. And model graph plus simulated graph. This model graph you have to draw it by your side, okay, along with the circuit. And simulated graph means the circuit part you are going to run in your software. After that, which graph is generated, in that you have to include the. So these are the things your lab manual must contain. You must have to follow this process for your lab manual maintenance. Okay, got it, guys? Yeah. Then
Yes, ma'am.
as per our flow, first one is aim of the experiment. Okay, aim. So here the aim is always, just remember guys, you have to begin the aim always for whatever the experiment you are following, for not only for our lab, for all the lab you have to start with to design. Okay, this word is fix. Your aim should begin with to design. Okay, three different closed loop configuration of closed loop of op-amp, or in bracket you write IC 741. Then what are the closed loops? What are the three different closed loops? Then from the aim itself, your task should be very clear that what you are going to do. First one, inverting. Configuration. Second one, non-inverting configuration. Third one, voltage follower. Right? Is it done? Okay. So first one, some in your model. Okay, this is the circuit design part. Before that, the aim is confirmed, no, right? So what are the list of components we are going to make? First one is IC 741. Quantities. Here you better write name of component and here it is quantities. Okay, name is IC 741. How many? 1. Second, registers. 2. What are those? One is 10 kilo ohm and another one is 1 kilo ohm. Then 3. Voltage sources. First one, sinusoidal you write. Okay, not AC, you just write SINOSOIDAL. Okay, you write in short form, 1 minute, you write sine, because in that form only it is available. It is called a sinusoidal voltage, so sine. Okay, so that is voltage source. Then fourth one, DC voltage source. How many? The quantity is 2. Then ground connection. This is software lab, right? In hardware lab, the list of connection in these ground connections are not required in the hardware. Okay, and a sign in the form of AC sources, we need that, and DC voltage sources are your power sources. Okay, so that time it will be different, but here it is different. So these are the things you have to make, and just leave some space. If some components or parts are left behind, we may include this. Okay, so we will give some 1 or 2 line space, we may include later. Then if it is done, the list of components, we may better move to the first design part, circuit design part. Guys, I hope you all are writing. Then first one, inverting configuration. Guys, you have to make one hard copy of the manual. You have to follow all this thing in that, and where it requires your snapshot of your circuit diagram of your ORCAD capture page or the simulated model graph page or the tabulation you require from that. There you have to snip and cut and paste.
Ma'am,
First
we
one,
have to type or we have to write?
if you are convenient with typing all these things, it's okay. If you are not convenient, you want to maintain a hard copy of the manual and you are going to take the photocopy of it and you want to upload, you may go for that. Okay,
Thank you,
both are convenient for me, not one restriction is there. Where you are convenient, but the handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, your figures should be neat.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
to the point.
Ma'am,
What
where
is
do we need to write our names and roll number?
where do you need to write? With respect to what you are asking?
Ma'am, in the lab assignment, ma'am.
First page you have to make no that task one and what is the name of the task. Okay, in that
Ma'am,
which
our
slot?
name and registration number and lab slot for that, ma'am.
First page, first page.
Before aim or after aim?
Before aim, one separate page you have to do.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Like you are preparing the reports, no, lab reports or some assignment reports you are preparing. How you are preparing? The first page itself, it contains
Yes.
your name and registration number, no, like that. The first
Task
page
one
you do.
name and all.
All the details should be there. And one more thing, guys, don't copy and paste your friend's report. If the handwriting are matching, then both the person will deserve 0 marks. Okay, to whom it is matching, who has circulated, to whom the person has been copied, both will be awarded as 0 mark. Okay, just remember this thing. So be careful about passing your lab record, and all the text should be different. It should not match with each other. Okay, if plagiarism is there, similarity is there in between your writing and your friend's writing, then also I will reject those records. If any of the records I will find out similar. Okay, so write it by your own. There is nothing. Okay, let's come to the inverting configuration. How the circuit diagram will look like. So here, this is pin number 3 and here it is pin number 2. This is pin number 6. This is 7 and this is 4. So what we have to do, we have to use the input connection for the inverting input terminal, right? And another one will be grounded. This is V in and this is actually R in or R1. And it is our feedback register RF. It should be connected in this manner. And this end is grounded. So what is the gain equation of the inverting op-amp configuration? It is minus of, yeah. What is the V naught equation for this? Minus of RF by R1 into V in, right? Yeah. So these are the required equation. We need this. So for this sake, as in the list of component I have shown, RF is 10 kilo ohm, R in is 1 kilo ohm, and here you consider V in equal to 1 volt. So as per that, what is the calculated V naught? Yes, it is minus of 10 volt, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then come to the next one, next configuration. non-inverting configuration, right? So in this, let's see the circuit design first. How the circuit looks like. Guys, in the theory class, actually I got disconnected because of the network issue. Then I asked immediately to post your attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me guys, where I should apply the input. This is non-inverting configuration, right? So where the input should be applied?
At 3, ma'am.
3.
Three
Pin 3.
or positive input terminal, right? So
That's
here, now the input is at the non-inverting input. That's why the name of the configuration is like that. And while the inverting is fully grounded. Okay. So as per this, what is the gain equation of this configuration? It is 1 plus Rf by R1. Right? Remember this. So here also we will apply the same thing. Rf equal to suppose 10 kilo ohm, R1 equal to 1 kilo ohm, and V in equal to 1 volt. What is the V out? If V out equal to gain into V in. Yeah. So what is the V out? Guys, answer my question.
7 volt.
11 volt. Yeah. The last configuration. The third one is voltage follower. Here in the voltage follower, the RF is sorted. And here we have applied the V in at the non-inverting input terminal. So we know that the gain equation of this is 1 plus Rf by R1. So 1 plus Rf is 0, R1 is infinite, so it is 1. What about the V out? V out equal to, if we follow the non-inverting V out equation, gain into V in, so that we may get 1 into 1 volt. So V out is 1 volt. Yeah. These are the things we have to implement in our software by using your OrCAD Capture. Let's begin. I hope you all got these things, guys. Just have a look upon it. Yeah. If it is done, then open the software. Guys, follow me step by step. Don't do anything by your own. Just click the icon of your OrCAD Capture Lite and wait for my instructions. Okay. Guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Then click New Project. This screen is appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Click New Project, not New Design. Remember this. You have to click New Project, and in this project you have to give one name. Okay. So suppose I am just giving today is Monday. And 8. Sorry, today 8. Yeah. Just name I'm just giving. You can give lab experiment 1 or inverting or intro 1 or task 1. Any name you may give. Okay. Then just check. Your PSpice analog or mixed. This one should be selected. If it is not so, you have to select this option. The first option you have to select. Then location you check. where your temporary folder is located, where all your lab files will
Ma'am.
get saved. Huh?
Like, I'm not getting this one, ma'am. Like initial page.
Which one you are not getting?
Like I'm getting something
None.
different.
Something means wait. Those who are not getting, at least just look at the screen. I will solve your issue after explaining. At least let others to do na. Those who got. Okay. You just look at my screen. Later you just share your screen. I'll check the issue. Okay. Now you just follow. So after this, guys, you have to click OK. Don't touch anything else. Just select this PSpice analog or mixed A /D. Then click OK. Then here, just see another thing you have to do. You have to click create blank project. Create a blank project. Not create based upon an existing. No. You have to just select, because you have to start the new file. No, create a blank project. Click OK. This screen will appear for you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
After this, what you have to do, two way I will tell you how to place the component at here. It is like multisim only, but little bit different than this. If you use to this, it will be very easy for you. So you may go through this one. See, place part. In your right side, so many icon will appear. If you just place the mouse upon the icon, place part option will come. Just click that. Library, add library option will come here. One small folder. If you click that, in your left hand side, browse file option will come. Just click any one and select all and open. Automatically all will be added to the library. This is one option to add the components or the elements to the library. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show one more time how to add a library?
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
here. Just place part. This option. One folder like or the book or IC like structure will be there. No, place part. Just see in the right hand side corner.
Yes, ma'am. After that?
After that, this window will appear. No, this window. Place part window. This one. Just look at my screen. How I'm just moving my mouse pointer. Are you getting? This window will
Yes,
appear,
ma'am.
and here add library option is there. One rotate this one, then add library, then remove library. The middle option you have to click. Got it? Okay. So here
Yes, ma'am.
you can type the component name UA741.
Ma'am, should we add all the components in the library file?
Yeah, because we need some time. Two option I'm telling you now.
Okay.
See, automatically if you double click on that, this option will come, and here one drawback is that you have to immediately right click. This pink structure is there, no? You have to right click and end mode, so that the duplication will remove. Otherwise, the replica of the image will be persisting. So that you have to right click and you have to use end mode. This is one option to bring the op-amp onto the project window or the environment or to the simulation page where you are going to build your circuit. Okay, this is one option, but I'm not going to do this. I'm going to get the component in another way. How another way? You have to go to place from the toolbar ribbon. Just check. Guys, are you watching? From the top option, file, design, edit, view, tool, place. Yes, go to
Yes,
place. Go to place. The next is place component. Okay, from the place component, you just go search option. How I have gone? I have just hold my mouse at here itself. Just have a look onto the screen. Guys,
Ma'am, you are too fast. We are unable to understand it.
what is the difficulty at here to understand, guys? Just I have gone to place, PSpice component and search. That's all. If you have joined too late means what can I do for you? Are you getting my point? I'm not so fast.
Ma'am, what do we need to search there?
Yeah, that's what. That's why I was waiting for you at there. Okay. So let this window to open. So here again the same thing you have to search. Here actually we have to search IC741, but in this ORCAD PSpice the abbreviation for IC741 is UA741, not MU. Actually hardware Fairchild and National Semiconductor, they are writing, they're specifying the MU A741, but in software we have to use the word letter U, A741. The same thing we have to search at here and click enter. And see, this window will appear for you. How to bring the component, you have to select that. Just a moment. If your mouse is proper, it will be selected nicely for you. If it will turn to gray color, automatically it will come along with the mouse. In this way also you can place the component. That's all. You just try to bring the component and place it onto the screen. You just do up to this. If you all are ready with this, I'll proceed. If you give the reply how to bring the component onto the page, then I will proceed. Are you able to bring the op-amp onto the working page or workspace page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. That is the only big job you have to do. Then see. I'll just show you one more window. Just a moment, huh? File, open. One moment, one moment. Yeah. Guys, just have a look onto the circuit. We are going to build this circuit like this. So what are the list of components at here? 2 resistor, 1 sinusoidal voltage source, 2 DC voltage source. Okay. Just take a photo of this circuit. We are going to build the circuit and the ground connections. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So here if you see the plus is up and the minus is down, what we have to do? First we have to rotate it, mirror vertically. So the negative will be up, means 2 and 3. The sequence will be like this, 2, 3, and at the top 4 is there, bottom 7 is there. Okay. Then again go to place and search for the components of register. Bring 2 register, one keep at the 2 side and one at the feedback side. Okay. Exactly like this you move. That's all. Then we need the sinusoidal source. Voltage sources we need. So first go to place, sources, voltage source. What I said, first we need sinusoidal source. Bring and keep at the input side. Then another source, two DC sources we need, place, source, voltage source, DC. Two time I need. Just bring and keep it like this. Okay, then I need the ground connection from here. See, the ground symbol is there at the right hand side. Come to this window and here 0 capsim and ground capsim, both the options are there. We have to select 0/capsim. This ground only we have to select. And one for input, pin number 3, one for 2, and one for this middle one. That's all. Then we need the wires. So wires are available at here. Place wire. Now I am going to connect. If once you see no, you will be acquainted to this. Don't worry. I am ready to tell you one by one also. There is nothing difficult. This is the first lab. That's why it seems to be like that. Guys, this end wire option is very little bit difficult at the beginning. Yeah, then you do the connection up to this, then we will go to insert the values. First you search and get the connection like this, then insert the value first. RF is 10K. See, name and value means you have to give the name as well as value. This is value only, so 10. This is 1K as usual. Now V offset value we have to give 0. Then amplitude we have to give 1. Frequency 1K, 1 kilohertz only it will take. AC value is 0. If you won't give also, it won't happen anything. Okay, up to this. Then here this is the main part we have to do. After taking the DC voltage source, what I have shown you in the figure, guys, in the theoretical part, I'll come to that side. Just a small thing I will just show you. In your lab, what you have to do, because the 4 is available at the top and 7 is bottom, no? So 2, 3. So how you have to do means, see, this is pin number 4, this is 7. Here, how I have shown in the theory class, 4 is for minus VCC, that's why minus, then plus, and 7 is for plus VCC, that's why this will become plus and minus, and both the things should be grounded. We have to exactly use the same thing at here. Then how my VCC is, if I will connect this part to the 4, this will become positive. That's why I have to rotate this. I have to select mirror vertically. Yes, negative is off. I have to select the 7 and mirror vertically. This will become down. Now I will take the wire and make the connection. Then see, this is not connected properly. That's why it was showing like that. Okay. Yeah. Then, because this is plus minus 15 volt, right? So here you have to use minus 15. And here you have to use plus 15. That's all. Guys, do up to this.
Ma'am, can you just show where to get the DC and AC power source?
In that place component, then sources. Place component and sources. Here. Place. Click that place. Then don't click anything. Just scroll the mouse. Then PSpice components. Then come to sources. From the sources, go to voltage sources. Then DC. If you
Yes,
click
ma'am.
that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. Then don't forget to rotate that, because 4 should be connected to negative and 7 should be connected to positive. This is very, very important point of view for the op-amp connection. After this, you have to save your file. After that, go to PSpice. Guys, after designing the circuit, go to PSpice, then new simulation profile. Here you have to give the name. Okay. Suppose this is my configuration project, no, or inverting, whatever the name you want, you may give, because already one file is there in the name of inverting. So I'll write in INVCONF. This is the name of my file, and I'll just click create. After that, just have a look. Simulation setting window will appear for you. We have to do this in time domain only. See what are the different domains are there. We no need to click DC or AC or any other thing, because that will be later. Presently we will do some experiment in the time domain, and we have to follow the general settings only. So here the runtime is 5. You have to write 5, just 5 seconds. Okay, don't do anything, just give maximum step size. 5 millisecond you have to give, guys. And here 10 millisecond, 10 M. First one runtime 5 millisecond, 5M. Don't type S also, because second is there out of the box, and maximum step size is 10 millisecond. Just type 10 M. Second is there already. Just apply OK. After this, just have a look at the run, whether our file is running or not. If you click this run option here, this is called as the run or simulation option. This window will appear. Yeah, it means we may get the output. Now I have to go to my project page. What I have to do? Look at here. I have to use, like in hardware, we are using the voltmeter probe, no, to check the output voltage in the voltmeter. So similarly, the same probe option is at here. We have to click this. If I will take the mouse near to these probes, these are 4 probes: voltage, voltage differentiator, then current marker, then power dissipation meter. So we need only the voltage level marker. First one at the input side after the source. This one in this direction means after the source before R1, and here at the output side. Okay, that's all. And here, guys, one mistake most of the students are doing, they are just connecting this 2 from the node 2 to this 4 they are connecting, and they are thinking the closed loop is done. No, you have to carefully check that. First you have to give the power supply connection, this one. 4 and 7 you have to make, then only you have to give the feedback loop, so that you can identify where you are connecting. That's all. Now I am going to see my output. Output is not coming. Some mistake is there. Some points missed out. Where it is, let's see. We have to check that. One moment, guys. Pin numbers 2 to 6 is not properly connected. Wait. Yeah, because input is only coming and output is not coming. I have to recheck my connection. Okay. Two 10K R1 R2. Yeah, I hope now it will come. No, again there is a mistake. Okay, guys, if you are done, then you may get the output. How many of you are getting? You just tell me. I have to rectify my connection. If you are getting two kind of wave, just tell me, or otherwise take your time. Guys, just take your time. I'm just verifying this. 1 minute, just give me some time to verify. If you are getting, just inform me, otherwise I'll check.
Ma'am, even I'm getting the same error, ma'am. Only
Yeah, I'll
input is
tell you.
coming.
No, I got mine. Mine it is coming. I'll tell you where the gap is there. Okay. Wait, I'm showing you my output. Yeah, we may get the output. So what are the changes we have to make? Just do one thing, guys. Here in frequency you write K as Z. Frequency you write K as Z. B offset 0, B amplitude 1, frequency 1 kHz, 1 kilohertz, AC 0. And one more change you just do. In the DC voltage, you just write 15, 15 only, not plus and minus. Okay. You just do and run it. The simulation window will become like this. And one more thing is missing at here. Input is green color, because if you see the circuit, the probe we have connected, green color is to the input side and red to the output side. That's why the input is green color, output is red color. Now this is not smooth. I have to use one more parameter at here. That one edit simulation profile, because already we have done new simulation profile. We have to edit our simulation profile. If I will make it as 10, let's see what is happening. Apply. Okay, and now I have to run. Yeah, still it is not smooth. It is yeah, here one more thing guys, just wait. It is not, step size is 0.01 millisecond. 10 is too high for this. 0.01. Now you see the graph is more smooth, and I have made is 10. No, still I will make it to 5. Then I will come to you. Just wait, don't get panic. Now you see. So how do we check the input and output value? The output voltage value means, just have a look at here. After getting this graph, you have to click this one, toggle cursor. Okay, this arrow, toggle cursor, then click cursor pick. So now V1 V is coming with this small green box. This is for input. If you click this, this cursor will appear. If you click the red one, you can move this to your output. So now just see guys, what is our requirement for the inverting output voltage? Red one is output, input is green. So if you keep it at here, see, it is coming 0.99, means nearly 1 volt it is coming. Okay, the input is nearly 1 volt, means 0.99, and output should come minus of 10 volt, but in spite of minus of 10 volt, it is coming minus of 9.962, and it is coming inverted with a phase shift. So this is the required output. Now what I am asking you, who are getting and who are not getting, just raise your hand option is there. Tell me, I will help you to get this.
Ma'am, how to connect probe?
Probe, just have a look at the screen. Yeah, raise your hand just guys. It is there, option is there. Raise your hand symbol, you click. After that I will make you presentee. You just share your screen. Yeah, who is asking me? No, what is the name of you?
Prakasha, ma'am.
Okay, Prakhar. Prakhar sir. Okay, Prakhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just have a look. Here, this option. After the run PSpice is there, no? After that, view simulation result. After that, voltage or level marker is there. That first option you have to pick. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Then, yeah. Who has raised hand? This is what is your name? Pragada.
Sai Kishore, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Kishore. Okay, Sai Kishore. What is your issue? What do you want to know?
While running, I'm getting an error.
Okay. Have you seen your edit simulation parameter properly? Once again, you just, what kind of error you are getting? First, you tell me.
Ma'am, it says simulation failed because of net listing errors.
Net listing. Whether you selected the project window, no, or that design window you have selected. That may be the issue. While initially starting the project, you have to select the PSpice project window, not the design window, and you have to select first option PSpice analog A or D.
Yes, ma'am, I followed that.
And create blank project. You have to do that.
Yes, ma'am, done that.
Show me your circuit. Just share the screen. Wait, I'll make you the presenting. Kishore, Sai Kishore, I have made you presenting. Just share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Just little bit enlarge your window. You click this bottom window here. Little bit enlarge it.
Ma'am, error is at view of property thing, ma'am. Sign part.
Yeah. This part you have not edited properly. It is not visible to me. Very small. V offset is 0, amplitude 1, frequency 1 kilohertz. AC is 0. Now it will come. Coming. Sai Kishore.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it came. And how I have seen the voltage probe I kept and I have seen, no? Like that also you just follow. Your tabulation will come.
Okay, ma'am.
You know that step, no? A gray color highlighted window, click that.
This
No,
one.
gray color window highlighted with one arrow. Go back box. No, Kishore, that window. Yeah, previous option. Click that. Toggle cursor. That is called as toggle cursor. That curve, first curve option is there, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Cursor pick. Click that. Yeah, now you move that. Your values are coming now. Yeah. Now second red option you click that box. Check box. It is below. No. Below it is there. Near to that VR11, no? VR22, Yeah, now you move your cursor. Okay, values are changing from each and every point of curve.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, as per the gain. If your gain is 10, as per that it is multiplied with the 10, and at that particular point of the graph, it is showing you the voltage.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, so Sai Kishore,
Yes, ma'am.
just non-inverting type, same procedure. I have shown you the figure, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do that circuit and voltage follower also. Same thing. Yeah, go for that. Now, stop sharing.
Okay.
Yeah. Who is having issue? Sai Kishore, just raise your hand down. Prakhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Prakhar sir, you got your issue solved, no?
Ma'am, output is coming straight line. I'm just checking for that. Can I show?
Wait, I'll make you the presenting. रुको, तुम्हें प्रेजेंटी बनाती हूँ, रुको.
ठीक है.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो.
Ma'am, are you able to see?
थोड़ा जूम करो और ये नीचे वाला विंडो बंद करो. तो ये जो लेफ्ट साइड के नीचे में क्रॉस है उसे बंद करो. उसे तो करो. ये जो मैसेज लॉग विंडो है ना, उसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा क्रॉस बार है. देखो, ये नहीं, ये जो लिखा हुआ है ये सब वार्निंग, ये जो है उसे बंद करना हमेशा. ये कुछ जरूरत नहीं है इसकी.
ठीक है मैम। अगर तो
रुको 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 रुको, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है मुझे थोड़ा देखने दो। तुमने तो पहले रोटेट नहीं, VDC 4 केसर को तुमने पॉजिटिव डाल दिया है।
रोटेट तो हो गए।
उससे पहले सही करो। नहीं रे, तुमने ओपन को क्यों?
बैटरी को करना था
अच्छा
बैटरी DC सोर्स को करना था। हाँ,
या
इसको
फिर
रोटेट
सीधा
करना।
-15 लिख
ओके
देगा
ओके
तो हो जाएगा भाई। सीधा
मिरर वर्टिकली
-15
करो।
हाँ मैं समझ गया।
अभी वायर को फिर से रिकनेक्ट करो। वायर यहाँ पे भी है, देखो राइट हैंड साइड पे जो है ना पैनल ऑफ आइकॉन्स है, वहां पे भी है एरो के नीचे। राइट क्लिक करो, एंड वायर होगा वो।
हो गया मैम, ये तो सही है मैम। रन
नहीं
करें?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कनेक्शन सही नहीं है। वो वायर पे स्टिल डॉट दिखा रहा है। हाँ, V2 के ऊपर, उसे सही से फिर से कनेक्ट करो तो वो डॉट नहीं आना चाहिए। प्रॉपरली वो पूरा एंटायर वायर को तुम डिलीट करो। हाँ
अब ठीक है मैम।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। अभी नहीं, रुको रुको 1 मिनट, तुम मुझे जाओ पी स्पाइस ऑप्शन पे जाओ, ऊपर वाले टूल बार रिबन पे। हाँ क्लिक करो, एडिट सिमुलेशन प्रोफाइल करो। हाँ हाँ, इस 5 मिली को 5 मिली रहने दो। रुको रुको, 5 मिली, हाँ 0.01 मिली है ना स्टेप साइज। हाँ अभी आ जाएगा, अप्लाई करो, अप्लाई। ओके, वार्निंग, रन रन विंडो क्लिक करो। कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। नहीं, वार्निंग पे कुछ मैसेज आ रहा है ना, क्या आ रहा है?
यस मैम, एक मिनट देखते हैं।
लेकिन यही है प्रोसीजर। फिर से वायर चेक करो, कनेक्शन थोड़ा चेक करो, हो जाएगा। मुझे लगता है 4 से 7 की। हाँ
प्रखर वो दूसरा वोल्टेज भी रोटेट करना है।
ठीक है
7 वाले को भी रोटेट करो।
ठीक है।
Ma'am,
हम्म
ma'am, even I am not getting the output. It's showing nothing for me.
Have you done anything so that it will show something? Okay, just raise your hand. What's your name?
Ma'am, Ritika.
रितिका, कहाँ पे हो तुम? रेज हैंड भी नहीं किया।
मैम मेरा भी स्ट्रेट लाइन आ रहा है मैम।
अच्छा प्रखर, मैं तुम्हें अटेंड ही करती हूँ क्योंकि रितिका का और बाकी लोगों का देखना है। तुम अपना चेक करो, हो जाएगा अभी। ठीक है,
हाँ मैम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ओके। रितिका,
Yes, ma'am. Can I share the screen?
वेट, स्क्रीन शेयर करो। और किसका स्ट्रेट लाइन आ रहा है? शांतनु का?
यस
या
मैम।
फिर शांतनु अपना DC वोल्टेज चेक करो। उसे 4 के साइड पे नेगेटिव और 7 का पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए।
Ma'am, can you
हाँ
see?
यस मैम, वो किया हुआ है मैम।
रितिका, पहले तो तुम सुनो, ये मैसेज लॉग क्लोज करो। जो 72019 वो लिखा हुआ है, बंद करो उस विंडो को। जो ऑर्नेट इन्फो ऑर्नेट आ रहा है, कहाँ से बंद करना? अरे अरे, नीचे है उसका, लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर पे क्रॉस है एक छोटा सा, देखो उसे बंद करो।
Okay, ma'am.
कहाँ पे ओके हुआ फिर? हाँ, फिर ये वाला बंद करो, प्लेस पार्ट, ये जो क्लोज करो, प्लेस वाला, प्लेस पार्ट वाला। हाँ
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
अभी थोड़ा जूम करो विंडो, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है प्रॉपरली। अच्छा हाँ हाँ हाँ, अभी अभी ऊपर करो। हाँ 1 मिनट रुको 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 रुको।
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हारा ये पिंक लाइन कैसे आ रहा है ऊपर का कनेक्शन? 7 से V1 7, तुमने तो रोटेट ही नहीं किया ओपैम को पहले से ही। उसको ओपैम को ही क्लिक करो और मिरर वर्टिकल करो।
मैम मैंने इसको तो किया है ना रोटेट, मतलब।
अच्छा तुम्हारे हिसाब से होगा।
मैम क्या
मैं
बोल
जो बोल रही हूँ वो करो। रोटेट, जस्ट द ओपैम शुड बी रोटेट, 2 should be up and 3 should be down. Otherwise, you have connected in a positive feedback. You have not used a negative feedback.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Do the corrections, okay, and it will come.
Okay,
If you have
ma'am. Sure.
only followed the edit simulation parameter, it will come. Okay, then Santanu. Santanu,
Yes, ma'am.
आया कि नहीं?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा स्क्रीन शेयर करो, रुको। रितिका चेक करो और बताना फिर, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
शांतनु स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
मैम उल्टा करके भी देख लिए मैम, नहीं आ रहा था।
ग्राउंड तो अच्छे से कनेक्ट करो पहले, 15 प्लस 15 माइनस
अरे
15 के बीच में।
yes, ma'am. वो आ गया, वही गलत था। थैंक यू मैम।
ओके।
मैम बट अब ग्रीन वाला वो नहीं आ रहा मैम, स्ट्रेट जैसा लग रहा है।
अच्छा मुझे वो दिखाना, 1 मिनट रुको, उससे पहले थोड़ा रुको, मुझे एक चीज चेक करने दो। तो मुझे वो जाओ, पी स्पाइस पे जाओ और उसका रन स्टॉप करो। तो अभी थोड़ा पी स्पाइस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करो। पी स्पाइस, पी स्पाइस,
यस मैम।
पी स्पाइस, ओनली पी स्पाइस, एडिट सिमुलेशन प्रोफाइल पे जाओ। इसे 5 मिली करो तो ऊपर के रन टू टाइम अप्लाई। ओके अच्छा, ये भी
मैम
ऑफसेट भी। हाँ
मैम शायद आउटपुट में वो डायरेक्ट 10 आ जा रहा है, वो लगता है, मतलब +10 -10 आ जा रहा है।
नहीं
और
नहीं,
ये
तुम यहाँ पे ये सप्लाई इनपुट पे भी थोड़ा चेंज करो।
यहाँ
इन,
पे
नहीं इनपुट, इनपुट
अच्छा
पे।
इनपुट इनपुट हाँ।
हाँ वो
मैम
ग्रीन
यहाँ
नहीं आ।
पे एक, हाँ मैम नहीं आना चाहिए, मगर बाकी तो सब सही है मैम। जैसे यहाँ
नहीं
पे
नहीं,
लिखा हुआ।
फिर से लाओ, वो जो जहाँ से लाए थे उसको डिलीट करो और फिर से लाओ।
ओके मैम, ओके मैम।
और वही पैरामीटर्स को चेंज करना।
ओके
तुमने
मैम, करके
एक्चुअली
करके दिखाते
कॉपी
हैं।
पेस्ट किया है शायद, इसीलिए ऐसा हो गया है।
मैम पहली बार बिना वो किए रन कर दिए थे, बिना लिखे पैरामीटर्स।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है अभी
हाँ
फिर से लाओ और
ओके
हो
मैम,
जाए।
करके फिर बताते हैं मैम। थैंक यू मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है। So anybody else got the output of non-inverting and inverting both? At least how many of you got the output for inverting? And those who are not getting also, you just tell me, I'm here to help you. Guys, 1 minute, huh? Yeah, so guys, how many of you are facing problem? Just inform me. Prakhar, Ritika, Akash, Santosh Kumar, Anubhav Singh, Sudhir, Pavan.
Ma'am, it is showing warning, check session log.
Session log. Share your screen, Prakhar. 1 minute, Prakhar.
Ma'am, like this warning is coming. Is it okay?
No. Where is your input and output so that it will be okay?
And green is input. Red is output.
But your output window is not visible, no? Your graph. No. Okay, I'll tell you another method. You can see your output like that also. Prakhar,
Yes, ma'am.
you just try for non-inverting in the same figure you try.
Okay.
Just connect the ground to pin number 2 and that same supply you just little bit move to pin number 3 and give the connection. Delete the wire from pin number 2, that side. No. That should be like that. From R1 you delete. Before R1, huh? Delete that wire, huh? Delete that. That ground you take to R1 side. Okay, you deleted that also. No issue. Bring another ground and connect to R1 side. Prakhar, 1 minute. Prakhar.
Yes, ma'am.
You are connecting the wrong ground. That's why. I told you, na, some specific ground is there. You go, this left hand side grounds are there, no? Here, left hand, right hand side you come. That wire ground symbol is there. No, where is the ground symbol? Ground
Yeah,
symbol, yeah. Click that. Yeah.
Okay.
This one you have to select always 0/capsim. This
Okay.
ground. Now connect everywhere this ground. Then only you can run it.
Yeah, ma'am. I will try and let you know.
What about others, guys? See, this LIC lab, I'm not going to leave anybody. If you are thinking we will not show the output and escape, no. You tell me frankly where you are lagging. You are able to search the components or not. And somebody was telling me, na, I'm so fast. Who is that guy? Tell me.
I was only there.
Prakhar.
Maybe initially you were saying and we are unable to find. That's why I have said that.
No. That happens because this is the first lab. No, it seems to be like that. In each and every lab, if you see, the faculty will look like moving so faster only, right? After that, you will be used to only.
Yeah, ma'am. It's coming. I think so.
Input is wrong again.
Yes.
Go to your input. No issue. Go there. In input, you have connected the probe to the negative input. Now you have to connect that to. No, not there. In non-inverting, you have to click. Bring that.
Okay, I am.
Where you are going to check your voltage. Input of non-inverting. Now it will come.
Yeah.
Now go to that toggle cursor option in that highlighted gray arrow. No. Before that, toggle cursor. Then first curve, pick cursor, Yeah, select the red one, red checkbox. Bottom it is there, no? Adjacent to B, B1, BR2. Next,
Yeah.
Yeah. And see the table, the values are changing.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now the gain is 11. So output
Yes, ma'am.
voltage
10.998.
11.
And input is 1 volt. Yes, ma'am. It is coming.
Try for your inverting.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Guys,
Ma'am.
what about others?
For
Ma'am.
non-inverting, I also got the output now.
Who? Vikas.
No, ma'am. Sai Kishore.
Sai Kishore. Okay, Sai Kishore. Non-inverting you got?
Yes, ma'am.
At a time you design the that one voltage follower also. At a time I will verify.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to
Huh.
check voltages, ma'am?
That voltage probe is there, no? You just check your ribbon, toolbar ribbon. Run option. Are you able to locate the run option?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am.
Open your window.
Yes, ma'am. Run option. Okay, ma'am.
Next option is what?
After
Right
run, view simulation results, ma'am.
After that, next option.
Voltage level marker.
Yeah. Click that and bring and connect. How my screen I have shown you, na? To the input voltage.
Yes, ma'am, but it is not connecting, ma'am.
Wait. Your name?
Vikas, ma'am.
Vikas, I'm making you present. You share your screen.
Ma'am, got output for inverting also.
Very good. You design that one. Voltage follower.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So, Vikas. Your frequency is 100, Vikas. First you change that. Wait. First listen to me. The error where you have done the mistakes. First one, input voltage source. You have written frequency as 100. What is 100? Kilohertz, hertz, whatever you have to mention that. It is only 1 kilohertz. 1 kHz you type. kHz. Then wait, Vikas.
Okay, ma'am.
VDC you delete from that V1, V2, V3 you delete VDC. Only just write 15.
Okay, ma'am.
No, and again one more correction. At a positive supply, for 4 side you have to rotate that mirror vertically. That DC battery source you have to rotate because
this ma'am.
V2,
Yes, ma'am.
V2 you have to rotate. Rotate mirror vertically.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Extra ground is present on your screen. You delete that.
Okay.
Now reconnect the wires. That V2 to ground. No. V2 to ground is not connected. See,
Yes, ma'am.
Bring the wire and connect.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to your edit simulation profile window. That P-Spice. No, not that option. Go to P-Spice option.
P-Spice. Yes, ma'am.
For you have not actually inserted the parameter. Okay, go to new simulation profile.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
option, give name.
Yes, ma'am.
Add data. This is you make 5M. Step size you make 0.01 M.
Okay, ma'am.
Apply OK. Apply OK. It's okay. It's okay. It will come.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
And now run it. Because
Yes, ma'am.
got the
It
window.
is yes, ma'am.
But I am not able to see.
Ma'am,
Are
I have
wait. Are you getting?
yes, ma'am. I am getting, but I am not getting any graph, ma'am.
Where it is? You have not shared the screen properly. You have to select while sharing the screen. Screen 1. Screen 1.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I will do once again, ma'am.
Don't directly click the desktop. You have to select screen 1.
Ma'am. I'm getting like this, ma'am.
Enlarge the window. That probe you reinsert the probe. Probe is not connected properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Probe is not connected, not at all connected, na? That's why. You got it, Vikas.
Ma'am, now how to check the values, ma'am?
In that again toolbar ribbon, you just see, Vikas, that gray highlighted box with arrow mark is there, no? Toggle cursor, that is. Last line.
This one, ma'am.
No. Just above the graph. That line.
Above the graph, okay.
No. Yes.
Below task 1, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click that. Then the second option from that. What you click now, na? The second option from there. 1,
2, yes, ma'am.
Cursor pick. Yeah, click that. Then you move. Yeah, you will get your value. But now you are moving the cursor with respect to green one. If you want to move the cursor with respect to red one, you have to select that BR22, that option. That checkbox you have to select. And yes, guys, you have to see this very clearly. The input is 1 volt, output is amplified and inverted. Okay, that you have to realize,
Ma'am, for green one, we have to do it again, ma'am. We have to click here, ma'am.
The same value will come. Red one, if you move, it will come minus. Green, if you move, green will come in that manner. Your voltage will show. Okay. Stop sharing.
Ma'am, done last one.
Okay.
Ma'am, in last one, both the graph will overlap, na?
Yes, that's why it is called as voltage follower.
Yes, ma'am. So can I show that it is coming, ma'am? And it is right, I think.
Wait 1 minute. I'll show you how to show it in 2 different windows.
Okay, ma'am.
Just follow my screen, guys. Guys, all of you just follow my screen. So suppose I want to see my input and output in a separate window, not overlapping each other. So presently see input is coming, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to show it in a 2 separate window. This is my input only. As per the probe color, then plot, add plot to window. And now what I will do, I'll go to my screen and I'll connect the voltage probe to outside. See, it is coming. Wait, I'll just show you. No need to run. Just if you connect and after plot window option, no, it will come directly. See, in that way you can show your that one voltage follower. All graphs should be shown in that way only. Guys, whether you got or not, simple thing you have to do. Delete the output probe. Go to your screen. Delete it. Go to your simulation window. Plot. Add plot to window.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to delete, you delete plot. One more will be deleted. Just connect the probe. How you connect it to check the output. Don't run it. Just see from the simulation graph. That's all. And same procedure we have to repeat. Cursor pick which one you want. This is my output. So I am getting my output 9.99 something. If I want to see my input, see it is 1. Exactly, it is at the middle. Okay. If you want to rotate or move, it will move. See, this tabulation you have to include in your output. Clearly, you have to mention that what are the observation you are getting, what was the input voltage and how much you got. Now guys, can anybody try and tell me if the input is 5 volt, what will be the output? How the output shape will look like in all the cases? At least 3 volt you take in the same. RF is 10K, R1 is 1K. You may change the input with the default RF and R1 value, or you may keep the input as 1 volt but just change the RF and R1 to 30 kilo ohm. RF just change 30 kilo ohm. R1 just keep 1 kilo ohm only. Not 30. You just take 40 kilo ohm or 50 kilo ohm. What will happen? If the gain and input voltage, that multiplication result will exceed 30 volt, what will happen to the output? Just simulate and tell me. As of now, 20 attendees are there. You better send attendance now itself. Those who are present, you type yes in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
although I'm getting the output, but it's not right, ma'am. It's not correct.
Okay,
Can I please?
I'll check. Wait, I'll make you presenting. Yeah, Ritika, you share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is what I'm getting.
Guys, after giving attendance, why you are leaving? If the time is not 1 hour and 30 minutes, you may not get your attendance. Just remember this. If you are leaving from this, okay, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
You are trying with the new value or old value?
Ma'am, this is a new value, ma'am.
You are getting this output.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this wrong?
Ma'am, this is not completely, the output is not completely a sinusoidal wave, right?
Ritika, what is your output voltage equation formula?
This equation formula is, ma'am, for inverting it is minus RF by RL into Vn.
So what is your RF, R in and V in value?
Ma'am, 10 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, and V in is 10.
Okay.
Sorry, one. Sorry, V in is 1 volt.
10 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, and 1 volt. You are getting this output.
No, ma'am. I'm just telling what you asked.
No. You tell me what value you have given newly.
Ma'am, V in I have given as 1.
Hmm?
And RF I have given as 10 kilo ohms, and RL I have given as 1 kilo ohms.
Show me your circuit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ritika, just enlarge your circuit little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Your R1 is, see, your connection through R1 is wrong. It is entirely through R1 you have connected. Directly it is shorted. R1 is not connected properly. Connection issue is there. You check it properly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So today, how many of you have completed inverting, non-inverting, and voltage follower? I'll just check.
I'm done.
I'll just check quickly. Name I will make, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
No, don't reply me. I will check. I will verify. Then only I will make the entry. For whom it is ready?
Ma'am, I have put on non-inverting.
Wait. So who is getting all the three? Tell me the name.
Vaibhav.
Ma'am, Prakasham.
Prakasam. Prakhar.
Yes, ma'am. Prakasha.
Ma'am, Sai Kishore.
Yes, Prakhar I have seen, Sai Kishore I have seen, and one more fellow also I have seen. Santanu I have seen.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Prakhar, tell me the registration number, Prakhar.
Ma'am, 18 BEC 0388.
Okay. Then next.
Ma'am, 19 BEC 0032.
Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen? Wait.
Yes.
Santanu, your registration number?
18 BEC 0554.
554, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You may leave, guys. To whom?
Ma'am, minus 336. Sai Kishore.
Santanu, you may leave. Yeah. Sai Kishore.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
1 minute. Sai Kishore, your registration number 18 BC 336.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you two may leave, Sai Kishore. Next class, I'll verify all the three experiment. Okay. I'm
Okay,
giving
ma'am.
you one more chance, guys, for this experiment. Thoroughly, I will verify. But those who shown me today at least one part of the experiment, I'm just making the note of that.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Ritika. Yeah, Ritika.
Yes, I can share the screen, ma'am.
Wait. 18 BC 5.9.
Ma'am, Vikas.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Vikas.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
18 BC 56.
Yes, ma'am. 0056.
Yeah. Yeah, you may leave. To whose name I'm calling, you may leave. Yeah.
Ma'am, even I completed, ma'am. Mine.
To complete a first one, ma'am.
Who? Jai Surya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jasurya and Santosh Kumar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Ma'am, I
making
completed, ma'am.
who?
Krishna Bhargav, ma'am.
Those who have completed, raise your hand symbol, guys. I will make you present it to share the screen.
Yes.
1 minute. Wait. Ritika, you may leave, Ritika. I have to
Ma'am,
check.
can I share the screen at least once?
I have seen, no, Ritika. Next class, I'll see all the three together. I'm giving you time for next class also, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Because this many guys are there, no? After correcting your error, I can't give you one more chance because this many guys are in queue, no? Next
Okay,
class, I'll
ma'am.
see. Huh.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
అదే నేను
Yeah. Guys, I'm just making you presentee. Those who have raised hand, no? Making you presentee, you just quickly share your screen. Turn on your video, guys, so that I can see. Yeah, for Krishna Bhargav, it is verified.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, Bhargav, you have to tell me the registration number, Bhargav.
18 BEC 0086, ma'am.
1 minute. 18 BC
0086.
86. Yeah, Bhargav. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Huh. Yeah, so those name I'm calling and I'm telling that it is verified. You please leave from the session so that other may get the chance. Okay. Then Dinesh. Yeah, your output I have seen. Yeah, it is for inverting, right, Dinesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is verified, Dinesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Your registration number is 42, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dinesh. You may leave, Dinesh. Huh? Next.
Ma'am, can I share Anirudh?
Yeah,
Santosh Kumar.
I have made you presentity, guys. Those who raise hand, so you may share it. Don't wait for my
Ma'am,
acknowledgement.
for non-inverting.
Ma'am, sharing, ma'am. Jai Surya.
Wait, Jashurya. No issue. I'm here only. No. Santosh Kumar, your step size is not correct. You have made it a little bit wrong. Jashurya, I have verified. Yeah, it is good for you. Santosh Kumar, you just change your step size to 0.01. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is the only issue. Otherwise, it is correct. And Jay Surya, registration number is 189, right? Then Santosh Kumar, registration number?
Ma'am, 19 BEC 0842.
Okay. Good. Then who is next? Yeah. Rushikesh.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see?
Yeah, circuit I have seen. Yeah, output. Inverting, right? Next class
Yes,
you
ma'am.
show me all. Okay.
Ma'am, I had one doubt, ma'am. If
Yeah,
I
tell
have to
me.
stop this simulation and do this non-inverting, then how to stop this simulation?
Same like that only. You no need to stop also. It is stop already. If
But
you close
here there
the
is no option to run.
no, not like that. Just close the simulation window and do the modification in the same window.
In same window.
Huh.
Okay.
Otherwise, you have to go to that new project like that.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the option. If you want to do in the same file itself, just close the simulation window only. If you want close also directly, if you want to edit the things, you may do on the same page itself. Okay. Otherwise, next option is that new project.
Yes,
okay. Yeah. Then Rusikesh is done. Then who is next?
And my
Vaibhav.
registration number is 19BEC 0672.
Rushikesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Rushikesh. 19 BC.
0672.
Yeah. Okay, Rishikesh. Yeah. What about others? This is Vaibhav Kumar. Vaibhav Kumar. Yeah, Vaibhav, verified it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Next class, I will see all the experiments. Vaibhav, it is 32, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next. You may leave, Vaibhav. Next. Dinesh already shown, na? This is Sri Ram Kumar.
Yes, I'm Prerna. Ma'am, this is
Prerna.
circuit. Yes, ma'am.
Prerna.
And this is the circuit. And this is the output.
Okay. BC6.
Yes, ma'am.
You got today's lab, Prerna?
Yes, ma'am.
Next class, I'll check all the 3 configurations.
Okay, ma'am.
Today, because of lack of time, and you might have classes at 4, na? I'm not spending more time. It's
Yes, ma'am.
already nearly 15 minutes are over.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I think everybody is over to show the output. Those who were in the queue. Dinesh? Dinesh, I have verified, I think. 42. Yeah. Good. Okay, guys. Remaining persons, at least you try to complete it by next week. You must have to show. You all have to show, but those who have not shown a single part of the experiment also, you have to take the effort to show. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bro, ma'am left.